Good afternoon. Here at Valdez Baseball Academy, we're going to show you what we do before we do the hitting. It's called the pre-workout before we use any baseball. Ready? Let's go get it. Hi, third drills of the day is with heavy bat. Heavy bat to create strong habit to connect the ball and do not let the ball bounce the bat. Forward, pushing forward. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get it. Make some noise. Good boy. Come on. There you go. After we do all the drill with hands, both hands, heavy bat, we come into a regular bat to create body speed and momentum. You ready?
Yeah.
Harder. Make it some noise. Make it happen. Go. There you go. Create momentum. There you go. More. Harder. Come on. Finish with the tire and the momentum with one hand and both hands. Looking for power. Now we're looking for to muscle up the ball and keep the ball to the middle. And call the touchdown drill. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go get it. Go. Go. There you go. There you go. One more. And down. Down. There you go. Up. Let's go get it. Come on. See how the shoulders go down? Let's go. Meet it. There you go. Come on. There you go. One more. We'll get a little more intense. 5 more. And set up. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit ups. Let's go. Ready. There you go. Come on. Muscle up. There you go. Muscle up. There you go. Muscle up. There you go. Now with Eric, we're going to try to get him back, stay back, and hit the ball strong to right field. Let's go get right field power. Opposite field power. Power. There you go. Muscle up. Right field. Let the ball get there. There you go. Suruchi. There you go. Our final drills of the day. We're going to work out one hand from front touch, another back hand, and then both hands to create momentum. Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
One hand, short up.